Shalom תלמידים ותלמידות לעברית. Mazal tov, congratulations. We've reached the end of our self-paced Hebrew alphabet course. Today you are going to learn your last 3 letters of the Hebrew alphabet, and those are the letters that make up the word chazak, chazak, strong, which is very appropriate to the occasion. I hope you all feel very strong for learning the Hebrew alphabet. And as always, we are going to go over them one by one and look at the print and the script. So we'll start right away with the chet, the chet. So the chet. So print and script are fairly similar. You can see, so it's like an upside down U, maybe. Yeah, the chet. So once again, we are writing, basically starting like writing a resh and then closing it from the left with a vertical line. Okay, so this is the chet. And the problem with the chet, I know English speakers, you're not used to this sound. It's a little bit hard to pronounce. Try to say it gently. It's in the back of your throat. It's like ha, ha, ha. It's almost like you're saying ha, ha, but you have a little bit of friction between the back of the tongue and the back of the top of your mouth. So ha, ha. And a nice word with a ha, ham, ham. So ham, it's hot, can ham by Washington DC, a kites in the summer. Okay, ham. Right. Moving on to the zayin. Z, sound like a Z. Z. This is how you find it in print, and this is how you write it. And note that you start with a vertical line, go to the middle of the line, and then do a semicircle that goes to the right. Semicircle that goes to the right. A nice word with a zayin is gezer. Gezer, the word for carrot. Gezer. Okay. And one thing about the zayin that causes a little some confusion is that, look, this is how you write in script the zayin. So vertical line and a semicircle to the right. And then we also remember maybe the gimel, it's a little bit similar, but very different, because here, once again, you start with this vertical line and you do like a beer belly. You go, because we write from right to left. So it's like a beer belly for the gimel, right? It's a semicircle to the left. So a lot of students confuse them, mix the zayin and the gimel. Try to get used to it. So the zayin, if you will, have like a big buttocks from behind. There's a semicircle from behind. And the gimel, if you want, have like a beer belly. It's a semicircle that goes for the left, or you can think of someone who's pregnant. So that's the gimel and the zayin. Just noting, because I know there's a lot of confusion about them sometimes. And then our final letter, the last one that you are going to learn, is the kuf. Is the kuf. And look, this is how it's in print. Script is somewhat similar. Once again, we kind of make a resh and then a line, a long vertical line that goes kind of down, even under the line. And this is our kuf, that sounds like a K. And we know we also have a letter kaf that sounds the same. Once again, it's just a matter of spelling, and you cannot differentiate between them by sound, but you get used to how to spell certain words with a kuf and with a K, a kaf. My battery here. And now that you've learned on the letters, let's write them. Let's write the word chazak. Okay, of course. So let's take a pen and start. So with a chet. So you remember the form for like a resh? Like a resh, it's like a little flipped candy cane. And with the hat, we close it here with a vertical line. And that's what we have. Let's do the sign. So we start with a vertical line, we go basically to the middle, and then we draw a big buttocks, semicircle from behind. Okay, and that's designed. And the kuf also starts like the resh, and this time we have a long vertical line that starts here. And this is our chazak, strong. But if we want to talk about Gal Gadot and say she is strong, we will say it in the feminine. So we'll say chazaka, chazak, chazaka. He, chazaka, Gal, chazaka. Wonder Woman, chazaka. So what we need here is a hey, and let's do it, why not? So also starts like a resh and then like a little baby resh right here. And this is our chazaka. Gal Gadot is chazaka. Chazaka. Okay. And that's it. So Mazal Tov, please congratulate yourself. Mazal Tov. Oops, Mazal Tov. Mazal Tov לכולם. Thank you all. תודה for learning the Hebrew alphabet with me. בהצלחה. Good luck. Now it's time to practice.